counting money?
Oopsie, I didn't think about that, but admit it, the flight was spectacular.
I'm sure some cash got lost under the sofa. Ugh, I need to count them again. But the flight was spectacular.
You remember how we made a counting machine for coins?
And?
Can we make the same one for cash?
Huh. Easy peasy. Bring the cardboard. Hi, everyone. Today is a great day to make a real counting machine for cash from cardboard.
And will I be able to turn the fan on whenever I want?
Well, sure you will. But not to blow away all the cash again. First, we need to cut out a part like this. It will be the base for our counting machine. Guys, be careful with the cutter.
The king of cardboard and master of cutting is always ready. Give me a task.
Of course, there are more sheets with outlined parts. Can you do it?
That's no biggie. Start the countdown.
Let's add some color. Up.
Up, up, up. Here.
Great, it's time to glue. But be careful with hot glue, guys. And this wall goes right here.
I still don't get it, Sue. Why do we need these holes?
Don't worry, Sammy. Soon you'll see.
Sue, I have one more question. Why is there a red square in the center? This looks suspicious to me. So I would be grateful if you could share this info with me.
Sam, you're rushing as always. We'll need to glue another wall. Let's apply the glue carefully on this fold. There we go.
Aha! Right.
This goes here carefully.
Wait, Susie, I got it. Here, we'll place the mechanism.
That's right.
I love mechanisms. And you guys, do you love them? Give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Wow, so cool!
Oh, Sammy, I see you already found the next part of our craft. So let's add some glue to its surface. And this spring goes right here.
I'm taking care of not only the parts, but I'm also thinking about decor.
Oh? I can't wait to find out about your ideas. Your decor always makes our craft super cool. But for now, fetch the wooden skewers, please. We'll need them soon, too.
I'll be in and out before you know it.
Don't slip, my friend.
The skewers are delivered with the speed of light. Thumbs up for me. Roar!
Great, Sammy, and just in time. Now, using the skewers, we'll be able to fix everything here like this.
Dear viewers, the secret of the mysterious cuts is revealed.
No, Sammy, I can't hide anything from you. We'll cut off the excess here. Guys, remember about safety while working with pliers.
Awesome, it works! Isn't that much fun, Sue? Ha-ha!
But that's not all. We also need to attach this thingy on top and add more glue. Don't forget about this side, too. And another part. We'll attach it carefully. To load the cash here, we'll need to push like this. Cool, right?
Hey, Sue, look what I made.
Whoa, Sammy, you're a wonder!
I did my best.
Guys, this is one of the most important parts of our machine, the roller. Look, thanks to these wheels, our roller will spin. And these rubber bands will pick up the banknotes one by one.
And how will this roller spin? Shall we do it manually?
Of course not. We'll attach it to these motors from each side. Let's use our trusty hot glue. It will hold the motor really well. There you go. And let's repeat it on the other side.
Sue, I made another wheel and applied some glue.
Cool, Sammy. This small wheel will spin the big one, but soon you'll see everything for yourself.
A small part of a big mechanism.
Sammy, you're a philosopher.
Come on, turn the motors already.
Wait, mister, in a hurry. We still haven't connected them to the batteries.
Oh, right.
Guys, we'll use some editing magic. And you can ask an adult to help with wires. And kazam!
It's a success. Let's move on.
We'll need these for the next step.
My parts are also ready.
Great, Sammy. Look guys, these tubes are made of paper. One is thicker and another one is really thin. Now let's use what I prepared. We'll put the rubber bands on the roller like this.
By the mozzarella, this looks like a lollipop.
I think someone's hungry.
A little. I think it's time for someone to go fetch some Oreos.
You'll miss the most interesting part. Whoosh!
Oh, what did I miss?
Well, just a little bit of magic.
Oh, magic or sweets? It's always a hard choice.
We need to glue another motor from one side.
Oh, we have so many motors today. They won't be spinning too fast, will they, Susie?
We'll prevent it. With the help of this controller, Sammy. Hop. We just need to attach the last tube to the body. But first, we need to attach it to this simple cardboard part with the help of a wooden skewer. Just like this. We'll cut off the excess. Snap. And using hot glue, we'll attach it to the main mechanism.
So, when will we test our mechanism? I can't wait to start counting my precious money.
A few more moments, Sammy. We still need to attach the button. Now let's connect all the wires. Speaking scientifically, complete the circuit. Let's insert the button into this part. And then attach it to the body. Sammy, perfect timing! We'll place this here. Here we go. Awesome! Sammy, check it out!
Wait, I still don't know how many bills I loaded into our machine. Who's gonna count them?
Oh, right, Sammy. We must complete our craft by adding a simple mechanism that will show the exact amount of cash.
More cardboard.
Now we'll need a part like this. Look, we've already inserted pieces of tubes here.
It showed the mechanism part can spin easily.
Yes, Sammy. You're totally right. Now we'll use these circles of different sizes to make small wheels. Let's insert a wooden skewer into the hole. We'll add some glue to the center and on the edges to make it sturdier.
More glue! I want this machine to serve for ages.
Okay, Sammy. Now we'll attach this part to the base of the counting machine and a small wheel on the other side. It was made by Sam, our expert in small wheels. Looks like a kebab. Oh, I'm hungry.
I can't wait to finish this counting machine. Then we'll know for sure how many real kebabs we can buy.
Then we'll need to cut out these parts real quick.
Leave it to me. I am a black belt in cardboard cutting. Hi-ya! There you go.
Oh, you're so cool, Sammy.
Thank you, thank you.
Whoosh.
Hey, Susie, can I connect these parts?
Sure, Sammy. And I'll finish our main wheel. Here we'll have the measuring scale. We'll glue a paper strip here. Carefully, don't rush here. Done.
Da-da-da-done.
Awesome, Sammy. We'll add it to my part. Up. Great. Hey, mechanism lover, how about making everything spin here? Snap. Another one.
I'll make them spin and move, just like cogs in a Swiss watch. Ta-da!
Sammy,
Hi.
bring me the pencil, please.
Here it is.
Thanks. Now your task, Sammy, is to lightly push this button, and as soon as this tube makes a full turn, I'll mark it. Ready?
Sure I am. You know that pushing buttons is totally my thing.
Don't rush. Here we go.
Tap.
Stop.
Oh!
Stop. Like this. Here. Everything's ready.
Susan!
Oh, I'm sorry, Sam. That's right. We need the decor.
Yes, I worked on it in the breaks between helping you and snacking.
Such cool decor. But it reminds me of something.
What could it be?
Something not really connected to finance?
Well, I was thinking, it's our brain that counts things, right?
Right.
And who likes brains most of all?
Zombies?
Yes, Sue! Zombies! So my decor reflects it.
I don't quite get your logic, but okay.
Aw, Sue, help! There's a hand on my head! Just kidding, I made it.
Hey, it's coming out really cool.
Yes, it was made by a master decorator.
Hooray! It's finally done. Are you ready to find out how rich you are?
Are you kidding me? I'm always ready to count money.
But it's important to have something to count, right, Sammy? Lunch. Oh, I could watch this forever.
Hail the great Tibby Dabba, it's working! Wait a sec, I thought I had more money. Maybe a zombie took some?
Are you sure?
Huh, right. I remember now. I bought a big package of Oreos to eat them with milk.
Oreos sounds great. I'm actually hungry.
Well, I mean, I already ate them all.
Sammy!
Don't worry, Susie, I'll buy more in a moment. How good is this?
Oh, this naughty slime. And you guys subscribe to our channel and make crafts together with us. Bye-bye!